One day after posting images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, YouTuber JimmyIsPromo has shared a video showcasing the upcoming phablet from every angle. In the video, the device is shown with a model number SMN986U, running Samsung One UI version 2.5, meaning this would appear to be the real deal. Then we focus on a few details of the Note 20 Ultra's design, namely the fact that the new model appears to use the exact same size and shape S Pen, although it stores it in a space on the left side of the phone, as opposed to the right. The Note 20 Ultra, which has been rumored to carry a 6.87-inch display, looks to be a bit thicker and taller than last year's Note 10 Plus in the short clip. It's also obvious to see how much the rear camera module has grown. The bump is more prominent, the rectangular housing is several times larger than the outgoing Note's pill-shaped stack, and the lenses themselves are spaces further apart, encircled in their own metallic rings just like so many leaks and rumors teased. The video goes on to reveal a new feature that allows you to use the S Pen as a pointer in midair, casting a dot that appears on screen when you press the button on the side of the stylus. Finally, from the front, it has to be said that this simply looks like last year's Note, complete with the same Infinitio front-facing camera aperture. JimmyIsPromo looks to have covered the top left and bottom of the screen with tape, presumably to block out identifiable information on the device, though it's hard to say. Interestingly, a few important Note 20 questions aren't covered in this video. For one, we're offered no confirmation as to whether or not this device supports a 120Hz refresh rate. A peek at the display settings would have been ideal. Second, JimmyIsPromo doesn't delve into the camera app or settings to tell us more about each of the phone's 4 sensors. That said, we won't have to wait long before getting to see the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra officially, in the flesh. Samsung has confirmed an Unpacked online event for August 5 at 10 a.m. Eastern, where we expect to see not only these upcoming phablets, but also perhaps the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G, Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Buds Live wireless headphones.